Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Beekeeper. Yeah, basically it's from the same project that has the BNB miner, and they also have now a BUSD pool. But listen to me guys, I will give you just a very short introduction and then I will give you a very important insight, okay? Basically all those miners work. I mean, this BUSD pool started like 2 days ago, yeah? And basically all those miners work the same way. You invest your BNB, your BUSD or whatsoever, and then you get some, whatever they call it, and then this will give you some rewards back. But, okay guys, this one here looks a little bit different than your one, but basically it's all the same, okay? You buy beehives, that means your initial investment, for example, you invest 100 BUSD, your BUSD are in the contract and you get the beehives, and those beehives will give you honey. So, but now the very important insight, okay? This should give you like 8% per day and so on, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now the important insight. All those miners are like Ponzi schemes, okay? I mean, basically guys, we all are in this here to make money, but most of them, they are, I mean, actually all of them are like Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes, what does it mean? Charles Ponzi was like about 100 years ago, 1920, an Italian businessman, aka scammer, yeah, because he said he offered people an investment. You could get 50% after 45 days or 100% after 90 days. So, but what is the problem with all of these miners? It's actually the same like Charles Ponzi did. There's no product or so, yeah. For example, you invest today, and the people who come in the contract after you, they will pay your rewards. So there's no product, there's nothing going on. So if people stop coming in the contract, they will not give you any more your rewards. So it's a Ponzi, yeah? New people pay existing people, people pay existing people, and when the contract, the locked value goes down, you will get less and less rewards, and in the worst case, you will not even get your initial back because your initial investment is gone, okay? It's in the contract and you can just claim your rewards again. And if you're happy, if you're lucky, you get your initial back, okay guys? So share this video, this is very important information with all the people you know, because I would say all of these miners are actually like Ponzi, okay? It's good for the devs because they get your money, they get the dev fee and all of this stuff, but the only way I would say usually that you can somehow make your money back is if you are one of the earliest investors and the team does a lot of marketing so that a lot of new people come in the project, and then you can maybe be lucky, get your initial back and maybe also make some money. But usually most or a lot of people who invest in those miners don't even make their initial back because it's just a Ponzi, okay? I'm here to tell you this guys because I mean, I'm here to find some projects or to show you some possibilities how you can make money. But if you want to make the big bucks, if you want to make the real money, then you have to start like trading, yeah? Like really crypto trading and not just investing in projects like this because it's just, yeah, if you're lucky, you get some back, or maybe if you're very lucky, your initial, and yeah, that's it. So maybe I will switch the content a little more to the trading strategy because then you can make, first of all, make much more money and you know what's going on with your money, okay? So that's it guys. Share the video, share the information, and yes, always be careful before you invest your own money guys. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show you those projects and give you some insights, okay guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.